The car is making an awful clicking, popping noise coming from the front suspension. See if we can hear it. Hear it. It's like a creaking, popping. Just got back from the dealer and that cracking, creaking noise is all gone. And yeah, it was actually, there's a plate underneath. I'll show you in a bit, the light there. When you change the oil, you gotta take this plate off. It's a frame stiffening plate. Let's see if I can show you here. It's that metal plate right there with the bolts. So yeah, the dealership, they just didn't retorque the bolts to spec or tighten them enough. And yeah, that was making that terrible noise. So yeah, if you're changing your oil or getting anyone else to change it and you hear that noise, just tighten those bolts up to spec and that should fix the issue.